Hi guys, in the last video we have discussed third and fourth problem in this optional exercise. So in this video we shall discuss the last problem in this optional exercise in chapter polynomials, that is fifth problem. This is very important question, you must know this problem. So if the polynomial x power 4 minus 6x cube minus 16x square minus 25x plus 10 is divided by another polynomial x square minus 2x plus 1, the remainder comes out to be x plus a, then find k and a. So here they have said that this is the polynomial, it is divided with this polynomial and the remainder is this. So we have to find k and a. So first of all we will divide this with this. So first of all x power 4 minus 6x cube minus 16x square minus 25x plus 10. So we have written the polynomial. So we will divide this with x square minus 2x plus k. So we have to divide this polynomial with this polynomial. So first of all, if we divide x square into x square is x power 4. So first of all, x square into x square is x power 4 and minus 2x into x square is minus 2x cube. So x square into minus 2x into x square is minus 2x cube. So then k into x square is kx square plus kx square. So now we will divide this. So this plus changes to minus and minus changes to plus and this plus changes to minus. So this plus and this minus gets cancelled, and here minus 6x cube and plus 2x square is minus 4x cube. So here minus 16x square and minus kx square is, we get plus 16 minus k of x whole square. So we cannot simplify here because k term is not here. So we will write 16 minus k, common is x square. So 16 minus k whole x square. So then next minus, so here, so now we will write remaining 2 as it is, that is minus 25x plus 10. So now if we divide x square with which term, so we will get minus 4x cube. So if we divide with, so if we multiply with x square into minus 4x, so if we multiply with minus 4x, so I will get minus 4x cube. Then minus 2x into minus 4x is plus 8x square, 8x square. So x into x, x square, and minus 2 into minus 4 is, so minus minus gets cancelled and 4 2s are 8 and x square. So then k into minus 4x is minus 4kx. So this, so now we will change the symbols and convert them. So plus and minus here gets cancelled. So the remaining here is plus 16 minus k of x square minus 8x square. So we will get, so 16 minus 8 is 8, 8 minus k of x square. So 8 minus k of x square. So here remaining is 8 minus k of x square, then remaining is here minus 25x and plus 4x is, here we will get minus 25x and plus 4x. So we will get 29x. So here minus 25, 21. So here first of all, here we will see, so here it is the kx term and here only its x term. So we will write both side by side. So here the common term is x. So we will take out common and write remaining as it is. So here 4k minus 25 whole of x. So common plus 10 as it is. So here write plus 10 as it is. So next, so if we multiply with what? So with x square we will get 8 minus k. So if we multiply with plus 8 minus k, so we will get 8 minus k x whole square, 8 minus k of x square. So next 4k minus 25. So here minus 2x into 8 minus k, we will get minus 16 into 2k. So minus 16 into 2k of whole power x, and plus k into 8 minus 10 is here plus k of 8 minus k. So we'll get like this. So when we change the symbol, this changes to minus, so this both gets cancelled, and here minus changes to plus, and here also plus changes to minus. So now we'll simplify this. 4k minus 25 of x and 16 into 2k of x, we'll get 2k minus 9 of x. Here we'll get 2k minus 9 of x. So then we'll simplify here. K into 8 minus k, and here 10. So we'll get 10 minus k of 8 plus k. So the remaining is here. So the what we get remaining here, 2k minus 9 of x plus 10 and minus x minus k. So this is the x term and this is the a term. So here the remainder should be in the form of x plus a. So this is the x term and this is the a term. So now here the x term we got is x minus 9 is equals to of x is equals to x. So this is the x term, so I will write like this. So when we transfer x minus 9, so this x transfers to this side, x by x, that is nothing but 1. So we will write 2k minus 9 is equals to 1. So when we transfers 2k is equals to minus 9 into this side, 1 plus 9 is equals to 10. Then we will get 2k is equals to 10. So when we transfers to this side, 10 divided by 2, here it is multiplying, so it will divide here, 2 ones are 2 5s are. So the answer is k. So we got the k value, that is 5. So now let me see the a value. So this is the a value, that is 10 minus x of, sorry, not this, this is not the a value. The correct a value is k square minus 8x plus 10. So we will rearrange it here. So this term goes to this side, this term goes to this side. So it will be easy for calculation. So I said like that. So this is the correct only. So we rearranged here. So a is equals to k square minus 8x plus 10. So here k value we got 5. So we will write 5 square minus 8 into 5 plus 10. We will substitute 5 in the place of k. So here we got k is equals to 5. So we will substitute here in the place of 5. So in place of k, 5. So 5 square is 25 minus 8 5s are 40 plus 10. So 25 minus 40 plus 10. So here 25 plus 10 is 35. 35 minus 40 is minus 5. So here we got a is equals to minus 5. Therefore we got the two values, k is equals to 5 and a is equals to minus 5. Therefore k is equals to 5 and a is equals to minus 5. So we got the value for this problem. So in the next video we shall see the examples of this chapter. So see you in the next video.